today, this is amazing. Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
The 3rd of May 2023. We have Mantelikuja, Mantelikuja, and what's the number?
6.
6. This is the staircase speed, and we also have to get to the staircase here because they're planning to badly more or less replace these.
Yeah.
They are rare. From the beginning of 1985, we have been 8 fixtures. They're 35 years old in 2020, and Simber is 63471. We'll have been inspecting the next year, 2024. We have some lights here.
Yeah.
That's why it was completely impossible to get inside here.
Yeah.
Because it was rare.
Yeah.
It's here in the Pähkinärinne. Hasselbacken, Vantaa, Vantaa, Helsinki's host region, Uusimaa and Finland, close to Myyrmäki, Myyrbakka, and Louhila, Klipsta.
It's great bike vines and maintained by Kone.
I have to check the alarm bell here on the first floor after the ride.
Yeah. This is where there's button driving. That's